everybody, welcome to my bathroom. Today I'm going to show you how to install a wig. I've had a lot of questions from some new wig wearers about the ear tabs and just how to put on a wig, so I'm going to show you how I do that. So first things first, I have my hair up in just a little ponytail. I don't have that much hair. And I stuck some clips in as well just to hold my hair back. Now I use a wig grip. I use the hair grip, wig grip, which I love. I did a video on this, and I get the one with the lace because I do wear a lot of wigs with a monofilament part, and so I don't want the wig grip to show through where that part is. So I get the lace one, and they do come in different colors and different sizes. Now the way you put on this wig grip is there's a tag right here, and it basically gives you the instructions. It says wear with this label facing inward on the left side of the head. So this is the left side of my head. And what I'm going to do is, I usually have a left part, so I'm putting the lace over there where I would normally have my part. And then I'm just going to secure it with the Velcro underneath my ponytail, so that helps to keep it from slipping up. And then I like to take my wig grip and pull it back just so my hairline is showing there, just like that. All right, so today I'm going to be putting on Tressalur's Euro Chic. I love this wig, and it's in the color EL 12-22-8. So the first thing I do is I turn the wig right side out like this, and I'm going to hold it with my hands on each side of the tag. This is the nape, and this is going to be going to the back of my head. And I'm going to kind of just dive into the wig, and I'm going to put the lace front a little too low on my head. So again, I hold it like this and dive in. And I pull the back nape under where my wig grip is. And then you have ear tabs on the sides of your head, which are, let's see if I can show you, right here. Hopefully you can see that, on both sides. And I'm just going to make sure they're even on both sides of my head. They're falling in the same spot on each side of my head. Then I'm going to flip it up, and now I'm going to look at the hairline. So the hairline is typically about 4 fingers from your eyebrow. If you have a natural hairline, you can match where yours is. And so I'll just adjust it, making sure, let me just look in the mirror here, that it's in the right spot for my head. I think that's about right. I have a pretty big forehead, so sometimes I'll lower it a little bit. And then it's pretty much on, and I'm going to show you where the ear tabs are because people have questions on this. So my ear tab is coming right here. Now it's not touching my ear. There is a space in there, and that's actually a good thing. A lot of people say, oh, but the ear tabs aren't touching my ears. What can happen if they do touch your ears is that as you're wearing the wig, it can rub against your ears and become really bothersome. So it's actually nice if you have a little space there. Now, depending on the size of your head, you want to make sure that you take your measurements correctly. And I do have a video on that as well. If you look up my video called Everything You Need to Know to Choose a Wig, I show you in that video how to measure your head correctly. You just want to make sure you're buying a wig that is correct for your measurements, and then the ear tabs should be fine. And really that's it. And then normally if it's a new wig or if it has some flyaways, I just give it a little spritz with some water like that and play with it. And also, sometimes what I'll do, depending on the color of the wig, if it matches the color of my hair, which it doesn't really in this instance, but I'm going to show you, is you see here where my hair is pulled back? What I'll do is I'll take a comb and pull my own hair out so that if you catch me from the side of the head, you'll see that the hair is coming right out of my head, and it makes it look more realistic. So that's just one of the things that I'll do to make it look more natural. And if you're wearing a wig that's, say, darker than your hair coming out of your head, you can always use a root powder on that hair to match it to the wig. And then of course, if you can't match it because you're wearing some color, like maybe if I wore a bright red or something like that, then I wouldn't pull it out. But really, that's all there is to it. So that's how you install a wig. Thanks so much for joining me. I'll talk to you soon.